Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix your start menu in Windows 11. So the first step is to press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard. This will open up the task manager. You want to type in Explorer here. Make sure that you right click this and restart your Explorer. So that doesn't fix your issue. So the second step is to write command prompt on your start menu. Make sure you run this as admin and then make sure that you type sfc space / scan now. Then you want to wait for a couple of minutes to finish the process. Then when it's done, it's 100%. You want to check if that fixes your issue. If it still doesn't, then you want to open your PowerShell by writing PowerShell in the start menu and make sure you run this as admin. Then you want to type in this command. I leave the command in the description box below and then press enter. If that doesn't fix your issue, then the last step is to write updates in your search bar, click on check for updates, and then head over to update history, and then click uninstall updates. And then if you have recently installed an update and then your start menu has not been working after that update, make sure that you uninstall those updates. So after installing, you want to restart your PC and that should fix your issue. So guys, that's it for the video. If this video helped you, then make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you with the next one.